best part about fishing in southwest Colorado is the sheer beauty of the place. You know, there are a lot of places in the Rocky Mountains where you can catch big fish, a lot of rivers that have good fishing. You just can't take away the aesthetics of fishing around Telluride on the Dolores and San Miguel rivers, down in the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. Hang on a second, let me kill a fly. I'm gonna kill that mother the first time. Okay, you can use any of that you want, but let's try that again.
It's little things too, to just cool animal tracks that you see next to the river, and watching elk herds move in and out of different areas that you get to see along the highway. I
love fishing here, and I'm always honestly totally captured by the sheer beauty of this place.
fly fishing, it's a little bit different. It's hard to define really what it is that keeps you coming back to the sport. It's a little bit of a mystery in a sense, and you're always sort of looking for what it is about it that makes it so unique, and it's a really undefinable thing. I don't know if anybody can really do it justice. I mean, how many books have been written and movies have been attempted to be made that want to define the sport, if they can so boldly say that. Probably the best way to answer that question is I don't know. I won't be arrogant enough to say that I know why I like it that much. It's not definable. I'll fall off this chair if I smoke a cigarette. You see my little camel toe here? Is that? You looked.
Welcome to my world of Red Bull.
Wait, start it again. You okay?